So, for the past couple weeks, I've been doing some videos on the 2007 Eclipse, and she's gone. The engine blew, and the price to fix it was more than I wanted to pay for a car that old with the other problems it had. So, here's the new project car. '93 Firebird. This car has 59,000 original miles. But there's enough stuff to do. Paint peeling over here, paint peeling up on the roof. Horrible, horrible wheels. Couple dents on the hood. Enough stuff to get me going. It does have an exhaust leak, and it's running a little bit rough. Looks like it needs a tune-up, so I'm going to be ordering all those parts, getting those on. Inside's not bad. Got some stains in the seat, a little bit on the carpet, but all in all, it's not a bad interior. No warping on the dash. It has an aftermarket radio. So 59,165 original miles, and they took $1,900 for the car. So this will be the new project. Get started working on this in a couple days, and go rip some parts off the Eclipse and get it sold. And until then, I guess I'll just drive this girl. Gotta keep her clean and start posting up parts that I'd ordered for the Eclipse and never got to put on. So yeah, it'd be a fun project.